1, 2. Today's video is L'Oreal 365 Copper Press Powder Foundation. My left, your right. Comparing it to the new MAC Studio Fix formulation. My right, your left. Tell me what you think in the comments after I am finished with this. Green puff for the MAC. I have NW45. My right, your left. Half of my face will be the new MAC formulation. The other half of my face will be L'Oreal Infallible Press Powder Foundation. I love powder foundation. I have very oily skin, so I love to use powder foundation. When my oils meet the powder, it melts it down so nicely. When you first put it on, you look powdery. If you don't have any setting spray, use a little bit of water on sponge. Make sure you squeeze that sponge damp and then just put it on the face. Other than that, if you oily skin, as the day goes by, your face powder start looking better and better and better. It looks greasy sometimes or oily, depends to how oily you are, but it always makes it look better. With the L'Oreal Infallible, I'm going in with the pink. It is pink. Trust me when I tell you it is pink. But the light is drowning it. I am putting that on my left, your right, when watching this video. I am just brushing it on just like you would do at home. Nothing special. I'm just showing you these comparisons so you can see which one is a close match for you, or if you are interested in it, you can go in store and check on it. I have all these powders and I use them, so I'm just making comparisons and putting it on YouTube so it can help somebody. After I finish apply this, I will take a brush and I'll just dust off for extra. I'm taking Real Techniques and I'm going to brush off over on my right, which is where I have the MAC Studio Fix Press Powder Foundation NW45. And on my left, which will be your right, I am using a Real Techniques brush to fluff out any excess. Today's I am says, I am one with life. I am one with life. Now, for comparison reasons and for comparison's sake, my right, I have the new MAC Studio Fix Press Powder Foundation, the new formulation. Tell me what you think. Second, on my left, which will be your right, I have the L'Oreal Infallible 365 Copper. Tell me what you think in the comments. Now that you have seen both of them close up, this is what they look like from far. Comment, let me know your feedback. Your feedback is always appreciated. Always remember, you are one with life. And that means all of life. See you shortly. Hype this video. And as always, until I see you and you see me, remember how important you are in this universe. You are important in this universe. Bye.